Hello students, in this video lecture we will discuss what is the procedure to obtain Principal Conjunctive Normal Form presented by Dr. R. Dinesh Babu. Here there are 4 steps. Step number 1, remove all the symbols, that means conditional, biconditional and implication by using equivalent law. Once we applied equivalent law, our expression will be normal form. What is meant by normal form? Normal form is nothing but an expression should contains only the following 3 connectives, and, or, and negation only. So once we get an expression is normal form, then we go for step number 2. What is step number 2? Apply each term or false. Okay, that means or f. Why? What is the meaning of step number 2? If we want to find PCNF, okay, that means if any variables are missing, we have to introduce RF, okay, based on the given problem. Okay, so once we introduced RF, then we go for step number 3. What is step number 3? Incident of this F, we apply inverse law. What is inverse law? P and the negation P, that is equal to what? F. Okay, coming to PCNF, we have to introduce the under T, then P is nothing but P or negation P. Okay, so here we have to introduce the RF. After that, we have to substitute F equal to P and the negation P. So once we substitute F equal to P and the negation P, then we go for step number 4 is nothing but apply distributive law until we get product of max term. Already we know in previous video lecture what is meant by max term. What is meant by, already we know in previous video lecture what is meant by max term. Okay, max term is nothing but if any variable connected by some operator, then that terms are called max term. Okay, once we get product of max term, then that expression is called what? Principle of conjunctive normal form. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you. So what is